Hello everyone, my name is Bintang Fajar Putra Pamungkas and my student ID is 2405073. In this presentation, I will discuss the comparison between traditional learning and digital learning among university students. I will present the result of a mini survey as well as findings from previous research to understand which learning methods students prefer and why. Okay, technology has changed the way students learn. Today, students can learn through traditional face-to-face classes or through digital learning platforms, such as online courses and learning management systems. Each method offers different advantage and challenge. Therefore, this study aims to compare traditional and digital learning methods by analyzing survey responses from university students and supporting them with findings from previous literature. First, we conducted a mini survey involving 8 university students. The results show that most respondents, or 62.5%, prefer a blended learning approach that combines traditional and digital methods. Meanwhile, 37.5% prefer digital learning only. Interestingly, none of the respondents choose traditional learning as their only preferred method. This suggests that students generally appreciate the benefits of both learning environments. When asked which learning methods help them understand course material better, half of the respondents said that both methods are equally effective. The remaining respondents were evenly divided between traditional learning and digital learning. This indicates that learning effectiveness may depend more on the learning situation, the subject being studied, and in an individual preference rather than on the method itself. One interesting finding is the difference between flexibility and engagement. 75% of respondents agreed that digital learning provides greater flexibility because students can study anytime and anywhere. However, 62.5% reported that traditional learning keeps them more engaged during lessons. This means that digital learning is stronger in flexibility, while traditional learning is stronger in maintaining students' participation and attention. Okay, we also asked respondents about the biggest advantage of digital learning. The most common answer was flexibility, chosen by 37.5% of respondents. Other advantages included easy access to learning materials, time efficiency, and the availability of interactive learning tools. These results show that students value the convenience and accessibility provided by digital learning. The findings from previous studies support our survey results. Researchers found that digital learning offers convenience, accessibility, and support for self-directed learning. Students can access learning materials whenever they need them and can manage their own study schedule more effectively. Studies also suggest that online learning can improve learning outcomes when it is supported by good course design and appropriate technology. Although digital learning has many advantages, traditional learning remains very important. Most students feel more engaged in face-to-face classrooms because they can interact directly with lecturers and classmates. Traditional learning also provides immediate feedback and encourage active classroom discussion. Previous research confirms that these factors help improve student engagement and understanding. Okay, based on both our survey and the literature review, blended learning appears to be the most effective approach. It combines the flexibility of digital learning with the engagement and interaction of traditional learning. Students can learn independently through digital learning platforms while still benefiting from direct communication and feedback in the classroom. For this reason, most respondents recommend a blended learning approach. Okay, in conclusion, university students generally prefer a blended learning approach rather than relying entirely on traditional or digital learning. Digital learning is valued for its flexibility, accessibility, and convenience. On the other hand, traditional learning remains important because it promotes engagement, interaction, and immediate feedback. Therefore, Educational institutions should continue integrating technology into education while maintaining opportunities for face-to-face learning. Okay, move on to the next part. Now I would like to present a short Q&A session. Question number 1. Why do most students prefer blended learning instead of only traditional or digital learning? The answer is most digital students prefer blended learning because it combines the benefits of both methods. Digital learning offers flexibility and accessibility, while traditional learning provides direct interaction and engagement. Therefore, students can gain the advantage of both learning environments. Move on to the next question. What is the biggest advantage of digital learning according to the survey? Okay, the survey showed that flexibility is the biggest advantage of digital learning. Students appreciate being able to access learning materials anytime and anywhere, which helps them manage their learning more effectively. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for attention.